Hi guys, Webb's Heath this is. Had a couple of suggestions or requests for the Syma X5. One was to put it up high and do a panorama, and the other was to do some flips with it. Now, it's a bit windy, to be honest. In fact, that wind's picking up quite a bit now that I've stopped. Yeah. Well, we'll give it a go anyway. Nothing to lose, except the Syma, of course. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Right, first thing I want to try is you're supposed to be able to throw it and then hit full throttle, and it's supposed to stabilise itself. So we'll try that. I'll give it a throw. We'll check that we are switched on, and battery, the camera's flashing. So I will throw it and see if it stabilises itself. And it is a bit windy, so I'll throw it that way. Are we ready? Well, that worked. Only thing is, whoa, that is windy. Back here a bit, mate. That tree, yeah, we're going to be in that tree. Well, yes, that is something I've been warned about with the Syma. It's a bit lightweight, so when the wind catches it, you have a bit of a problem. Looks like we've survived though. Still got 4 propellers. Yeah. So, that was the first thing. I can do the throw launch and it does stabilise itself. But this is very windy. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been flying in the woods lately, to make sure we don't have any wind, or at least it cuts down on it. So I'm a bit worried about trying to go up very high. Because it's going to get blown around once it goes up high. Not too keen on the high one. Maybe we'll just do some flips. And down. Not quite as high up as that. I'm fighting the wind a bit. Come back here a bit. Alright. Flip. Yeah. Up a bit higher. Flip. Flip. Yeah. flip. Yeah. Doing camera. Can't tell with the hat though. Hat camera. Right this way, mate. Wow. Are we still the right way up? No, we're upside down. A bit of mud on the propellers, take that off. Hope it is mud and not poo. Alright. Flip again. Back this way. Flip again. Still up high. It's the camera so we can see where we're going. Yeah, it's definitely windier up there. I don't want to go much higher than that. This way. Oh, that's fighting the wind now. Come down. Yeah, that's really struggling against the wind up there. Okay, well I think we've done everything I wanted to do. We've done some flips, we've gone up fairly high, but that is windy up there. I was having to come full reverse to hold it against the wind. So yeah, there we go. Dancing around a bit there. Come back down here, mate. Oh, let's go for a landing over there. See if we can get there before the battery runs out. Definitely a little bit of shudder there, isn't there? Mind you, with all the bashes and bangs it's had through the trees and that, I expect propellers are about out of balance a bit. Right, well that'll do. Don't know how long that was. Oh, I just went and... I keep forgetting to turn off the camera. Right. Can we turn off the camera? Yes. Yeah, I keep powering the handset controller off before I've actually switched the camera off. And if you do that, you lose everything that you've been recording. Right, job done. Back to the car. Well, there you go. You made it all the way to the end of another one of my videos. If you want more information, there'll be stuff down there in the video description. If you actually liked that video, you might find this one up here interesting too. And if you like both of them, you might want to subscribe over here. Thanks very much for watching. It's much appreciated.